Unleash summer bliss. 5-day energy and transformation fast. Hello, and good day, our lovely viewers. Welcome back to our Jewels Moment, Wellness Warriors Vibrant Balance, and Astute Inspire channels. Summer is a great time to rejuvenate your health and happiness, not simply deprivation. Fasting has tremendous effects. Detox yourself. Relax your digestive system and eliminate pollutants. Improve your energy. Feel lighter, sharper, and more bright. Enhance attention, clarity, and emotional well-being. Start your fitness journey. Lose weight and start your summer workout. Join a motivated group sharing your path. A fasting specialist provides daily ideas, tools, and live Q&A. Personal support. Get advice and encouragement to keep on track. Transformational results. Feel full of summer energy and eager to succeed. Ready to dive? Click the link in our description or our pinned comment below. Join the challenge and obtain easy-to-follow guidelines for a safe and successful fast. Begin your summer change now to become healthier and happier. Want to feel lighter today, to have more energy and enjoy life? Refresh your summer with our 5-day fasting challenge. Click the link in our description or our pinned comment below. Get professional advice, community support, and tasty recipes to improve your health. And if today's video brought value to your day, don't forget to hit that like button, subscribe, and ring the notification bell. Stay tuned for our latest insights on wealth, health, and the vibrant wellness world. Your trust and support means everything to us. Here's to your journey towards a healthier, happier you. Until next time, take care, embrace life's joys, vibe positively, and be well.